Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a executive style home which is truly a masterpiece. It is found in the well sought after Kingston 6 neighborhood at Farringdon Heights. This home comes with 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. It sits on perfectly manicured lawns. The floor space is approximately 8,000 square feet. The well laid out pool and the large deck area are perfect for entertaining friends or just kicking back with your family. The eating chef's dream kitchen is a must see for those who love to cook. There is also a powder room, formal living and dining rooms, plus double car garage. It is being rented unfurnished with all major appliances. Do not wait. Call for a no hassle private viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US $7,000 or Jamaican $1,077,000. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.